Hi, welcome to our Algebra 3-4 at McDaniel High School information page. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what Algebra 3-4 is and who takes it, what the focus of the class is, and what class time looks like. So Algebra 3-4 is the last of our three core math courses that are required for most students, Algebra 1-2, Geometry, and Algebra 3-4. It is a continuation of algebraic thinking. We begin with Algebra 1-2 review, including linear problems, solving with fractions, rationals, inequalities, functions and function notation, quadratics, absolute value, factoring, etc. Then we move into parent functions and their transformations, including domain and range. We talk about inverses, exponentials and logarithms, complex numbers, polynomials, rational functions, and trig functions. We follow the pattern of using A, H, and K to transform functions throughout the entire year, using a bunch of different kinds of functions. It's definitely a course where we explore pattern and connection between ideas. To take this course, you need to have a C or higher in Algebra 1-2. Mostly you'll have taken geometry prior to this class, with few exceptions for students on an advanced math track. For students essentially who are taking that summer course in geometry that allows them to get to Calculus BC their senior year. So that is the context in which a freshman would be in this class. Our focus is on the Common Core Math Practices MP3, explain your reasoning and critique the reasoning of others, and MP7, find and explain patterns and connections of ideas. So as we explore all of our content using the Common Core curriculum, we focus in on these two practices of explaining our reasoning and making connections between math ideas and the whys of the math versus just memorizing formulas. So class looks like a lot of collaboration, group work, some individual work. It has choice activities for your summative work rather than testing. We give you different opportunities to show proficiency in the math. And then you are asked to explain your reasoning or explain patterns and connection you're finding in the math in a collective math portfolio that you later use to argue your final grade at semester. So you are not followed by a grade the entire year. We try to focus in on the whys of the math, the what of the math, collaborating with others, making sense of stuff, and then you may revise anything. And once you get to semester, you can argue your grade based on our rubrics and our final portfolio. It is very exciting to approach math this way, and we look forward to having you in class.